I just received a nail box. Today's nail box is one of the nail boxes. I think this is July. Let's look inside. I love the little tab in the box, and you just slide it out like this. Oh my goodness. Okay, what is this? Okay, guys. These are glitter pieces, stones, flowers, and little pearl accessories. Oh my goodness. Oh. All of the sequence shapes. You have circles, hearts, squares, triangles, diamonds, and stars to do like little glitter flakes on nails. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Okay. Shower, soak off gel polish. So it's a gel polish. Let's see what color it is. Oh my god. Ooh. Let's just do like a little fake swatch. I don't have my UV lamp out here, but that red. Okay. What else do we have? Okay. We have all these seashell pieces. You have them in every color. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm super excited. Oh. And then I have some red hearts to go with the other hearts that I have. I'm gonna be doing it. I'm super excited. Okay, I couldn't get this one out. These are more seashell pieces that they have. You can see it better this way. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, stay tuned, and I'll be showing you all a tutorial on all of these nailed ideas and all the stuff that I just got in my nail box. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. This is what it is again, and I have another nail box unboxing video coming for you all soon. Check you later. Bye.